Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Discord tag gradient on your server. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So for your own server, all you have to do is log in, check in on it, and then from here go to the top left where you can see the settings, and then go to server settings. Now from here all you have to do is click on the server tag, and as you can see in the bottom you can choose the badge, you can choose the color gradient, and you can choose all the settings that happen into it once you start unlocking it with the boosting. So once you have this, click on unlock with boosting, and as you can see there are three different levels that you can start boosting from. And so from here you can enable it, and so for the server tag, as you can see, for the gradient you can click on it and you have to enable 3 just so you can get it and you can unlock the gradient for those tags. And so once you update it, then all you have to do is go here to the settings and then go to the server settings again and enable for the server tag. And then finally all you have to do is go to the user settings, and then from here you're going to click on edit user profile, and then once you scroll down, as you can see, there's the server tag, and so you can select whichever one that you are from, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.